Okay, I'm sure all of our PowerPoints are created with Microsoft. So you're wondering, how am I going to get all my PowerPoints over into slides so I can use those? Or vice versa. You could download these. Like if I have a slide here, I'm going to call this sample. And if I go into File, I can download it as a PowerPoint right here. And you just show them where they're going to download and they're automatically going to be there. The other thing you can do is you can download each slide as a JPEG and use that as a picture. I think you've probably done this a lot in PowerPoint, but you just download them as JPEGs, and then that way the actual slide itself is a picture, and you can insert that into a Word doc or really anything you want. So some people will use slides or PowerPoint if they need to create, let's say, banners, or they need to create the kids are doing maybe a art project and you want them to be very creative and use all this stuff. It's easy to use slides or PowerPoint because you have all the tools and rather than having to go into Photoshop or something. So if you're thinking about a way to let a kid do something really, really graphic and really colorful, just have them get a blank slide and create and add whatever they want to on it, and then you download it as a JPEG and print it as a picture or put it on your website or somewhere like that as a picture. Okay, the other thing here is we're going to talk about how to import things. So if I'm here and I want to import some slides, I can go out, remember, to any slide that I've already created to import those, or I can go out here to my computer and I'm just going to go out and find one of my lecture slides that I do. Computer Fundamentals, I'll just go out and find my lecture slides, and they're all in PowerPoint. So these are basically going to be dumped into here, and I'm importing them into this presentation. All right, so that's how I'm borrowing slides from another PowerPoint that's outside and I'm adding to this presentation. So you can combine like that. And when this finishes, I'll also show you how you're just basically going to go back to your, excuse me, you're going to go back to just to your drive and you're going to go to File and import the files. And you're going to import all those PowerPoints like we've done everything else. So here it is. Let's say I want to use just these three for case, and I'm going to put those in. So I just borrowed a few slides from a PowerPoint and I'm adding them to this one. And they'll just pop up right here. So here's my computer fundamentals. Here's the things that I've already done in that class, and I've just simply added those straight in. So remember, you can download anything as a JPEG. You can file, you can import slides from other presentations that you already have, and then basically you can download this whole presentation as PowerPoint in there. Okay. All right.